Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the video about the roadmap to master the digital marketing. And here we will use the Pictory AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, if you are having the task to create the video like this, and for example, it is for the educational purposes or simply for your content in the YouTube, so this Pictory AI is for you guys. So here I am accessing or I will access this Pictory AI with my desktop or my PC to get more spacious view, and you can simply log in into this Pictory AI on the website www.pictory.ai. And this is the look after you did the login or sign up first. And as you can see that this Pictory AI will help you to create the video from the text, the URL, and also doing the video editing and transform the image into the video and also the PowerPoint file into the video and also doing the recording. And for the new user, they will give you 40 days or 14 days to get the free trial. And as you can see, this is the days left that I have to get the free trial, guys. And since we would like to create the video about the roadmap to master the digital marketing, then I prefer to click this text to video. And after that, you can continue. Click the start with idea, the roadmap to master the digital marketing. And you can choose the platform. For example, I will choose YouTube, and the video I choose to be 30 seconds until 1 minute. And continue to generate the script and kindly wait for the process, and the script will be written in this section. And after that, the script will be show over here. And as you can see that down here also several settings, and if you would like to rephrase it, then you can simply click it. And if you would like to shorten this script, you can click this too, but I think it is already short. And after that, I will continue to choose the ratio. I keep it into 16 and 9. And as you can see that the duration will be 56 seconds. I'm sorry. And after that, you can continue to generate the video and let this AI to help you even picking about the picture that will be suitable with the every single scene, guys. And kindly wait for the process. And finally, after waiting for a while, until 1 minute, until 2 minutes, so the video is almost ready. And if you would like to give the another touch, like the edit the text over here, you can simply click text or T here and give it a double click, and this text will be able to be edited. And if you would like to add the heading or subheading or add the body text, you can simply or choose this one. And if you would like to add the element, you can simply click this and choose the element that you would like to put into the video. And also you can see the style and the visual and the audio. And for example, I would like to listen to the scene 1. and make sure that your connection is in the good condition. And after that, if you already okay with this video, then you can continue to click download here. And if you would like to download this video without the watermark, then you need to purchase their pro or the upgrade the package. But if you're okay about the watermark, then you can click this download with the watermark and click here and kindly wait for the process, because the length of the rendering or the saving or download process also depends on the complexity and also how much the scene that you will present into the video. And after the generation process, so this video is ready to download and also ready to be posted into your social media, or if you simply would like to present it into your audience. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.